Jack, what'd you do? Your butt's all dirty. Can I see your hands? Show me your hands. Let me see. Go like this. Go like this. No?
Papa.
You're gonna go see Grandpa? Little messy baby.
Hi. Where's the frog? Can you find the frog?
Where'd the frog go? Go see the frog. There's Jack. Nice and clean. And that's the mud that he got dirty in. Neil and Grandpa putting together the swing set. And a slide. All the parts.
Is that dirt?
What a mess.
Dirty, dirty, dirty. Okay. Dirty, dirty.